Hi, it's Dave. I have the hiccups. It's day 15 of the 51-day challenge, and I have the hiccups for some unknown reason. I mean, just keep this. We walked outside. I don't know. Would it be a change in the temperature? I'm here with Julie. It is my second to the last day on the cruise ship. I've done 34 shows. I only have 2 more left, 36, and then this is how, look, I've loved being on the cruise ship, but this is how excited I am to leave, because in 48 hours I'm going to be on a plane, and I am excited about that. With a layover, window seat over wing, and I'm excited. But here's what my challenge was today, is that it's towards the end of the week. A lot of people like to come to multiple shows, and even though you switch it up a little bit, I'm sorry about the hiccups, you still have some of the same material, and I am just tired. I'm tired, and I felt like when I was trying to get my energy up, it comes across passive aggressive. Like usually I feel happy, or I'm trying to be more specific, but I opened with a joke. I'm just kidding. I'm not a comedian. I just came here to get away from the kids, because there's a lot of kids on this cruise, and normally I would feel fine about that, but for whatever reason I just feel sort of passive aggressive, and I just work through it. I just keep your energy up and just keep doing it. I do enjoy the kids on the ship, even though there are a lot of them, but that's just some of the things, along with these hiccups, that I am feeling. And that is day 15 of a 51-day challenge. Thanks.